cold out here, but I'm still out here catching trains to my grandpa.
Coming out a little closer.
It's got 812 in the lead, or another one that has a high-pitched horn. It's 7:51, 8:23.
Let me get your ass home, boy. That hawk is hell, ain't it?
Looks like these containers came from the port of Miami.
Yeah, you saw him, you got him, right?
Yeah.
You were smiling and waving at the window. I said, look at them damn fools out there in that cold. Oh, I forgot.
Can you hold this? Can you hold this for me?
Oh, you
Can
better-
you record it for me?
What?
Let's try to I don't think I can do it.
What you finna
Nothing. My
Oh.
hands are cold. Just rub them together.
do? Yeah. Damn long ass damn train.
It's right there.
That's it?
Yeah.
You going out to catch the tail end or hell with it?
I'm going out. There goes 202 heading northbound. Now it is 7:53, and this is FEC Iron Horse out in the cold. Bye.